So when visitors come to Forder, they are buzzed in, but our main office is not within sight of the front doors. Once they enter in, there's access to a stairwell, our commons area, and our main hall before they would even find the office. We have a lot of visitors, if you haven't been here before, they don't even know where the main office is. If the proposition would pass, we would be able to relocate our office so that our entrance would be safe for all visitors, everybody that comes within our building. Our office staff would have eyesight on the visitors, so we would be reconfiguring our entrance. We would be having a holding space that visitors would go into before they actually enter our building, and it would make our entrance to our building much safer for our students and everybody that works within Forder. One thing you'll notice if you're at Forder in the evening time, our parking lot is not very well lit. We are on a dead-end street of Ripa Avenue, and we really need some lighting, so especially as it's getting darker earlier or we have different events, that our parking lot is safe and that we can really see what's going on and monitor what's happening on our property.
HVAC equipment, the lifespan is about 20 to 25 years. We're kind of on the higher end towards the 25 years on some of our equipment still. So upgrading the equipment, we gain efficiency, we gain, right now our service level, we're servicing the equipment more than we should. So our service, with the newer equipment, our service repairs will drop, our repair cost will drop. And also with the newer equipment, we get more of a consistent comfort level in the classrooms, which makes it a better environment for the students and staff.